Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So let's carry on with the placement of the stairs and perform some adjustments regarding the design and location of this second stair. Let's begin, for example, by changing the current design of the stair, so we can next adjust its location with more ease. Once again, and just like in the previous model, let's start off by adjusting the stair's overall dimensions. Here we have then the design that we need. Therefore, we can now close this Properties panel and continue by adjusting the current location of the stair. Let's proceed as follows. Here we have the stair now in the correct position. Hence, we may carry on and copy it across the remaining levels. Here we have the overall design of the stairs now completed. Therefore, we may continue by adding some other necessary details, such as the connection between the stringers of the first stair and the ground floor, or, of course, the very important detail of the railings, and perhaps a steel grating located on each of these levels. So let's go ahead and begin working on said group of details. Let's start off, for example, by creating a simple plate connection between the stringers of the first stair and the ground floor. Hence, let's go back to the top plane of the model so we can place first the elements of the plates. And now, back in the top plane, we may also configure the currently active model view a second time, so only the first stair is visible, as this will allow us to more easily create the new elements that we need. Here we have this simple set of connections now completed, and hence we may carry on with the development of the design of the stairs and add next the corresponding railings. Let's, for example, begin by placing those corresponding to the first stair.